Installation of any product either makes or breaks the product. Proper installation of ACP makes the facade look not only beautiful but also adds aesthetics to it. Installation when done with the right silicone makes the facade last for years and years. In this video, we show you the regular installation process of FR ACP done with silicone. What we commit, we deliver it. First, cut the Viva FR ACP. Always leave a 25 mm gap from the edge of the ACP to make the V-groove. To get the required V-groove for 4 mm and 6 mm thickness ACP, choose the D4 routing wheel. For up to 90° bend the ACP sheet. The surface of routing should be flat and free from foreign particles to avoid the scratch and bend during fabrication job. Make sure while routing, the core to be left should be half of the top coil thickness. After making the groove, press gently to achieve 90° bends. At all four juncture, fix with a 25 mm angle cleat with rivet and join the corners for sealing. Now the tray is ready. Make the frame as per the required size and fix it with water leveling. Now, fix the angle cleat on the frame with the screw to install the panel as per the arrow direction mentioned in protective film. Cross-check to maintain the gap between panels and also the thermal expansion gap to recheck. We recommend the gap should be minimum 3 to 4 mm. Now, remove the protective film gently. Please note, the protective film should be removed within 45 days of installing the panels. Use masking tape to surround the edge of the panels and fill the gap with non-staining sealant. We recommend to use backer rod also to fill the inside gap of the panels. Give time to dry. Remove the masking tape. Your facade is ready. Viva Aluminium Composite Sheets. What we commit, we deliver it.